The program still work out. They go the program Good Morning from Benin. They reach you from independent television. Anyway, because they watch us nowadays. Now you get one to them. They say people they talk now. They say and the day when you buy something, that the night dear. Because if you go back the next day, you go say he say even cheap yesterday. Say that be the matter when we say they forgot to look at the cost of living for Nigeria now. Cost of living, cost of things, everything we say just day because we do it to the year and say things they increase, the price of things they increase every day, and people say salary self you know agree increase. You go agree with me say you say salary, the price of things they increase. But before then, pardon my manners too, my brother and friend Victor Imatitukwa Benson Erio, he with us here. Victor, good morning again.
Good morning.
Great to you.
No, good morning.
Yeah,
good morning, Victor.
You see the matter when we say different so I want maybe say you take them off from there. The price of things for markets these days. I don't know. You're not a family man. You know I sure you go agree with me now. Say nobody I tell you take care of a family 2 years ago.
We have the best engineers, so at least some of the best economists in the world in Nigeria. We have all the people who see they sabi all these things. We have them. We have them in government. We have them in this one. We have them in federal government, state government. When they want to campaign now, you see all of them carry all their credentials. That's why they say go Harvard. That's why they say go this one. That's why they say go this school for Canada. Fulbright. Different schools. Now they read the economists. Because every day, sir, you buy cement now, tomorrow is another price. You buy milk now, tomorrow is another price. You buy bread today, tomorrow they say bread is this. You buy, one man when they produce pure water, what did he tell me that day? He said, this pure water, when did they do so? He said, before the whole packet now, about 600,000. Say, that's the rubber, what did they do this thing? He said, they pack them, about 600,000. Now it's about 2 million naira. Then, what you come they pay me right now? You see those people when they sell food, if you are selling, doing any business that have to do with dollar, you're in trouble. As we speak now.
You get 1 billion, what would they do for you when you get to do with dollar?
No, see, man.
No, I just ask you.
For instance, now, who they import? There are some things you can do.
I understand.
That's what we say. If they always buy things, things like all this phone, all this foreign door, all those things, my brother. It's another ball game entirely.
Okay.
You go pay now. Say that. For instance, you pay for a generator. That was let me say go buy a generator. Say the generator now 10 million. It's okay, you go come buy next week. He called deposit. As the deposit, they won't call carry. When you reach the man say, I know, you got to pay 5 million on the thing. As the time you pay, that's also amount to not be like that again. And then it already pay for grand before. Now just say, you know, come finish. They say, no, don't forget my price again. Many things.
Okay, no problem.
So what I'm trying to say is all the economists, them Soludo, them this one, them the
Soludo is not in government.
No, I think of you called you well out of the world. These are Nigerians now.
But they are not. Wait now. Make I answer you. They are not in government.
So until they come there, the economy will crash.
No, until they come there, they may not allow them. They may not take their inputs. That is it.
So are you
because when you wait now, the time when Okojo-Iweala dey as minister for here, you understand? Because she was in World Bank when the brand come become minister here. Say a country, say they need them. You understand? Then she came. The things were not like she. They give advice too. They take some. They take some. You understand?
Yes, I remember that this. Is it make down and be what do we recession? According to what I don't talk about, say safe, keep some money somewhere.
I said no.
Do this, do that. The governors, them Rotimi and Mitchell, don't say governor, they say no.
Give us our money.
There's something like something wet. They even took them to court. Today now. All of them don't keep quiet.
Victor, you say the price of fish when you go buy yesterday, you buy the fish, one fish, Scubia fish, the first time you say that you go buy on that kind, 400 naira, for 400 to 600. Scubia fish now 1,000 naira for one, or maybe 700 naira for the small one if it's too cheap. Victor, where would they go?
a man add to Victor.
No.
Victor, they tell say they receive fake fish now.
Yeah, they did.
They tell say they receive fake. No, they tell they receive fake fish. Now they don't see fake fish.
Okay. We'll listen to it.
Yes, not true. But this problem, we feel not just push on for federal government table alone. Especially the one who did for my state Edo here. And if you come out, carry your leg waka come out here, go any neighboring state, like Ondo, the things wey you see say that they sell 10,000 naira here, you go get am 5,000 naira or 7,000 naira for Ondo.
Like which to them, because this analogy when we say they give to I don't understand. You get one popular bread when we say they eat. Where they come, no one mention the main better advertise the bread. If they come from worry. You understand? The bread now, some people will be say they sell bread, say they no fit buy them again. Why? Because they say they no go fit sell them. The bread, as I said yesterday, I said the bread if you reach Benin here now, it will be 800 to sell them. You don't understand? So as I said yesterday, I bought bread yesterday. 750 naira. I had to buy one loaf of that bread we call family bread.
Family size.
Family size.
Maybe 400, 450 in the last 2 or 3 months.
You understand? So if you can look at with fish now, look at with matter of pure water, just bring come out now. Look at with matter of other things then. So where would you go, Victor?
Another thing, as I talk, fine, do your findings, investigate. You will see, say, waiting I tell you so. Not true. Inside on Tuesday, I go Mandare Bakery. I say,
you go one bakery.
Okay, one bakery for one day. I say, I buy bread. I come see and say the right time for notice.
So they increase them?
Say they go increase by more 10 days.
Okay.
I buy because I like to buy from the source. When I come on there, yesterday, I pass a camera, they go ask. My friend who dey with me come say he wan buy bread. Then the seller, the one for Decta, wey they bring from Decta, maybe that other one, I don't know the one where you see.
Carry on.
That one they say, he say 750. The mandarin, sorry, the one where they branch wey they talk about so. That one, they never increase them, but the tax rate they sell them don't increase. Now I tell the woman, say, look, this bread, I got the bakery on Tuesday here. They say by more 10 days, they will increase that because now 450. And they take 400 until they count for them. Outside, they sell them 450. Now, yesterday now. You say you don't
increase your own.
You don't increase your own. Now I say, but these people say they never increase it more than how come you don't increase your own?
So why you can't blame God? Why you can't put?
No, you say not to blame government for some of the increment we will be experiencing with city.
So in this case, I would fit address the issue. Okay, before I come,
before we address the issue,
maybe you narrate your own experience.
I give three people where we go blame, because if we dey city or country like this, government is seen to be regulatory activities of businessmen and businesswomen. Government get their fault, one, because they refuse to do the needful.
What be the needful?
The needful right now is that we get refinery, we get oil wells, we get crude oil for the country. We get refineries wey not dey function. We get crude where we go put from here, put for vessel, carry go abroad, go refine, bring. It will now increase the cost of fuel, pump price, which go come later trickle down to that village woman where they go market. It go get effect on the general movement of goods and services. That one dey there. Government, as we speak to date, federal, state, and local government, they refuse to fight insecurity. We make our farmers, they even fear to go farm now.
Okay.
Who fit cultivate plantain, head of plantain wey dem dey sell 200 naira before is now 800.
1,000.
The fear of
You don't know the cost.
no, I just dey talk no, see
head of plantain now as I talking to you
not break me now,
2,100.
make I flow now. Tell him man make he allow me flow.
Wait.
Correct now.
You say what?
They do well.
Okay, but no here.
I no understand. You wan fight something with the will, you get will to fight am. You go fight am to stay still.
You don't say they refuse.
Okay,
They refuse. Oga Emma,
okay,
the
wetin dey dey wetin government dey do e be like say they no dey do anything. Wetin
result.
government dey do e be like say
you
they no
see,
dey
Emma, you know when we dey talk, make we learn not to dey step on ourselves because this idea, once e dey flow, you allow am flow.
Okay.
Because once you interject,
You fit no flow
I
again.
come wan respond to why you dey interject me, you feel lost the track.
Yes.
You understand?
Not true.
For me, and I know other citizens of this country get am as idea say government refuse to fight insecurity.
Yes.
Because if government too get power, we don see countries wey ready to fight insecurity, they fight am to stand still and they get victory.
Yes.
Nigeria own different.
E different.
All this one join wetin dey make all the thing dey happen.
Yes.
I get plantain farm. Before I come, day break 1 week, melu don enter my farm, e don chop all my plantain. People wey dey pack melu dey waka, they don cut my plantain, dey use am dey feed their melu. The one when I go see the day wey they no come bush, I go cut am, carry come market. Since when melu man give you melu to chop, I go get the money on top of only one head wey I see from farm. E go increase with that.
So insecurity dey affect am too.
Oh, of course.
Yes.
Now you
Of
talk
course,
so.
sir. Then two, associations, market trader association,
Unions.
pineapple seller union of Benin Kingdom,
Pumpkin.
pumpkin leaf union of New Benin Market, association of okra sellers.
Yeah.
All this
Pepper,
one join
tomatoes.
because otherwise individual
Llama.
dey wey just cultivate okra for their background, maybe they get 100 free. They cultivate and they want carry am go market. They ready to give away price.
Yes.
Make they just get small money
Yes.
to stay do one or two
Yes.
things. But you not go say no. Now we go buy from you because you know they start from union.
Now we
Now
must sell am.
the union price now we go take sell.
Sell am.
That one join wetin go increase price. Then three, the third one, individuals wey their eye open for money like the one wey Rio dey talk just now.
About that woman wey dey
About that woman wey don already increase,
Yeah,
wey
bread,
be producer
even before-
never increase. Bible give una name o. You get name wey Bible give una, maybe Imalo Akpololo wey go help us go that place. Say you wey wan get excessive gain, CUCF fire. E dey government hand, e dey union hand. The union matter dey government hand because they're not ready to say this is what you should do at the right time.
Yes.
Then the individual, you will say na you wan dey do opek you pay. Inside one ball of orange, you wan get the entire bag, the money
Wey you
wey take
buy.
buy the entire bag.
Yeah.
God dey look you.
Okay.
That
You know-
na
you know- you know-
humanity to human.
Okay.
Continue.
Man
If government no
inhumanity-
fit ask you
man inhumanity to
to
man.
to man,
Okay.
na so I get to talk reach.
No wahala. You know what it is there before we say we go do anything there. We don't talk on the problem, but what you feel say will be the solution now.
Well,
Before we like say we go take, maybe we fit still take 1 or 2 calls.
yeah, the only thing, number one, is they call out, what would the grow with the year? They call out price control.
Price control boards, PCB.
Wey dey hand of government.
Yes,
This
now
thing,
PCB.
as
Now be
you
government.
watch now, the whole of the country, nothing like this dey exist. And you expect, and meanwhile, these same people, when they go other countries, these things they dey there. You fit go UK now buy this wristwatch. For 2 years time when you go there, you
Apollo, that one-
2 years
that
too
one
small,
for
sir.
10
You
years.
get example.
One perfect example.
2 years too small. 10, 15 years.
10 years. Somebody
go
buy
be the same
somebody
price.
buy red tie. In Nigeria, you buy red tie.
For supermarket for abroad.
You understand? So you don't use that tie, use that. 10 years after, you know once buy tie you, when you call Waka pass, I get this tie.
That's the
one
time I buy that day,
That
yes.
one don't the man just replace her.
He has to see
He
the
buy
price
10
tag.
pounds that time.
The same
He buy
10 pounds na a day.
10 years after.
So that's why. Let me tell you. Don't know. I always keep constant of prayer. It's because listen, you just make.
Leave that man. Make
It's
you tell me.
because you discover that Thomas Ado, okay, Victor Rio won't contest as Edo State Governor or President of Nigeria. All of us will all have this idea. Shout now, my man, he go do well, he go do that. As he just enter there, he will change.
Okay. You guys the change it there.
He has to be because na so the never talk. We don't feel leave that same factor. Check all the people you know who have been either voted in as governors or presidents. Tell me the attitude and the character when they never expected him and when they don't expect him. And they will now start regretting after they don't promote.
So why they don't do this one?
Why is it always like that? Because all of us will say, no, we will change this one.
So by
we will do this. We will do that. We will do that.
By application, what you're trying to talk now, be say our leaders are not living. They're not putting their money where their mouth is.
No.
Now they'll talk once before they enter government. When they don't enter government.
They enter they will do something else. They will become something else.
Okay. Victor, what do you feel to be the way out of this wahala?
Government, as Hillary talk, get big role to play. Because this thing, all these things will just
the way you say, yes, say you buy out today, tomorrow before you come back, you don't increase.
Yes, now their hand is there. Okay. Now government get role. Because if we say make we look at who they control us, who they in charge, now government.
Na government.
Because I dey watch for news that day for Al Jazeera. One company for China, they do Smith, increase. As increase, they close that company down. The government close am down. He say, may you come give them reasons wetin make am increase. Why you not consult them? You hear wetin I tell you so? They close am down.
Okay, no problem. So Victor, my brother.
What? Yeah. You see, say
anybody just wake up with the money, increase the way he like.
Especially this Benin. As Hillary talk, say, no.
Now where you
Junior.
Make we tell ourselves the truth. Sometime around May this year, I get the opportunity to stay Jos for 2 months. And for that 2 months when I stay, I make sure say things where they buy here, I also they buy and make a compare price. Oga difference dey.
Difference dey now.
Even Oga, they come now. I don't know how you want to reason now. Even the mentality of people where they there is different from the ones where they here. We they talk about naira notes. You know, say when you buy something from an average just seller, he or she not get chance give you. You know what he go tell you? He go say tomorrow if you come and you bring the money. It go fit happen here. The thing they do me whether na different connection.
And I hear that they go church pass.
And I hear they go church pass. Hold on, sir. If they like come. Oga, wait now. You know say Emmanuel, calm down. You know say inside naira note, you get these strings wey pass inside, wey connect the paper.
Yes. Be like wire this side.
Now the string now hold the money. That's to tell you how destroy that money don't destroy. Give it to an average northern seller. He go gladly collect the money from you. If you use white tape, for here we they do transparent tape to take soda money. Even if you use black sellotape, take hold money for not. They go collect her from you.
Okay, gentlemen.
We they do say we too know.
No wahala.
We too know, and we don't know jack. We don't know anything.
You know what it is?
But with government,
some government suppose
they
they
say.
see recharge card of 15 naira.
You know what
I
it
beg
is?
you.
The truth be say, if there's not to be say I gather for this one, I know say when I go at Kwanga the other day for Nasarawa.
Okay.
The eye where be say I think they buy suya for here because it's called suya.
Yes.
I now go there. Now
You go end up not fit eat the suya.
That one machine man I carry me go there. I there for Kini guest house and for them they carry me there. One reach there. Because I just see some of my friends, they won't be say 1 or 2 person will be say I know.
Yes.
They give me suya 2,000.
They will first look you. Everybody wait there, they one person I go look
when
you.
they carry the suya come, I first give for the back man will carry me go. I first share give her. You know understand? I carry you go there outside. When I use this, I call share for real. True life experience. And I'm going to take small break. When they come back just now, don't go anywhere. Name of the program, Good Man from Benin. We'll talk for this matter again. I would like to take your calls when we say we don't come back. Stay with us. Don't go anywhere.